If you are currently looking for a working hosting coupon code in 2026, I want to share the most reliable method to secure the best possible discount. The guaranteed way to access the best active discount is through an exclusive affiliate link. I have placed mine in the video description. When you click it, the system automatically applies the highest available promotional offer to your account. There is no need to copy, paste, or verify anything. It is seamless. However, there is an important step that many users overlook. Once you click the link and arrive at the pricing page, you will notice the listed prices are already competitive. Do not finalize your purchase just yet. Select a plan that suits your needs. For most users, I recommend the premium plan as it offers the optimal balance of features and affordability for both beginners and experienced website owners. Proceed to the checkout page. This is where the exclusive discount becomes visible. Because you entered through the affiliate link, an additional discount of nearly 20% will be applied to your total. If you navigate directly to Hostinger without using the link, this extra saving will not appear, and you will end up paying the standard rate. If you are not satisfied, you can receive a full refund. To summarize, do not waste time searching for unreliable promo codes. Use the link in my description to activate the best Hostinger coupon code available in 2026. Secure the lowest price and launch your website with confidence. These offers change regularly, so I recommend taking action sooner rather than later.